If you're planning to buy a gaming laptop in 2025, this one should definitely be on your list. I just got my hands on the ASUS ROG Strix G16, and after using it for a few days, here's my honest experience. By the way, I ordered this laptop directly from Amazon. If you're interested, I've added the same link in the description. You can check the latest price, grab any discount, and get fast delivery like I did. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is premium, as you'd expect from the ROG lineup. Inside the box, you get the laptop, a powerful 240W charger, and some paperwork. The build quality feels solid right from the first touch, and it definitely has that clean, modern ROG look. Now the display. This is where it seriously impressed me. It's got a 16-inch Nebula display with 2.5K resolution and a 240Hz refresh rate. The clarity and color vibrancy are next level. Whether you're gaming or editing videos, the visuals are crisp and buttery smooth. Coming performance, with the RTX 5080 GPU and Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, this thing absolutely crushes every game I've thrown at it. From Cyberpunk 2077 to Warzone, I ran everything at ultra settings. No lag, no stutters, just top-tier performance. You'll see some benchmark gameplay in this video too. Thermals are managed really well. Even under heavy gaming, the laptop stays cool enough with powerful airflow and heat dissipation. The fans are audible but never distracting. Keyboard stays comfortable even in longer sessions. If you're into serious gaming or content creation, this machine can handle it all. Again, the Amazon link is in the description if you want to check it out or grab any deals. For me, it's one of the best gaming laptops in 2025 so far.